I have a villainous plan. I'm going to set up trap here. You have got to finish this soon. And the last one. That will do. Now you gotta cover up. So good. Now we wait.
I'm late. I'm in hurry. Oh no, how come? How do I get out of here? Help me!
Where are those noises coming from? That's where it's coming from. I'm coming to help. Oh no. How did that happen?
I don't know. Help me out. Oh, thanks, Crane. I appreciate it.
You are welcome. Okay.
Thank you, guys. I gotta go.
Good luck, Kevin.
We will fix it now.
What do you think, Lucas? Good job, Peter. Thank you.